Join the music festival. And what we have here are Korea Daniel so 3 by 9. Shaking a bit, but as far as I can see, the children are still very calm. We have the Ashekador in place, and here we have the note round by Korea Vega Lautikasarai. Very well done. Very well done, children. Yet another promising signal about the state of the teams. On the 20th of August, we will see Malaysia again in Saudi Arabia and Felix and Today we are in Larvos, Bangladesh, Catalonia 2011.